Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best black hair accessories is probably one of the most versatile and essential categories of products for anyone looking to enhance their natural hair, offering a wide array of options from everyday essentials to statement pieces that can elevate any hairstyle. Whether you're aiming for a sleek, polished look for a special occasion or seeking practical solutions for managing your curls and coils throughout the day, the right accessories can make all the difference in achieving your desired aesthetic and ensuring your hair remains healthy and beautifully styled. This curated selection aims to guide you through the top choices available, ensuring you find pieces that not only complement your style but also serve your hair's needs effectively. Number 5. Crave Naturals Glide Thru Detangling Brush. Tired of struggling with knots and tangles? Introducing the Glide Thru Detangling Brush, designed to make hair brushing a breeze for everyone. Whether your hair is curly, straight, wet, or dry, this brush is your perfect companion. It gently works through all textures without pulling or snagging. Experience a comfortable brushing experience. Its unique design is gentle on your scalp, reducing breakage and leaving your hair smooth. Perfect for both adults and kids, this detangling brush is a must-have hair accessory. Make grooming time easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Not only does it perform exceptionally, but it also looks great. This sleek black brush adds a touch of style to your hair care routine. What we like? This brush is designed for ultimate ease when tackling tangles. It glides through wet or dry hair, making your routine smoother. If you struggle with knots or have textured hair, this is your go-to for pain-free brushing. Number 4. Kitsch Satin Scrunchies, Black, 5 PCS. Tired of hair ties that damage your hair? Discover a gentler way to style your locks. These satin scrunchies offer a smooth, snag-free experience. Say goodbye to unsightly creases and frizz. Our scrunchies protect your hair's natural texture, keeping it smooth and manageable all day long. Experience unparalleled softness against your hair. These are designed to be kinder than silk, providing ultimate comfort and protection. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, these accessories are perfect for you. They offer a secure hold without causing breakage. Elevate your look with these chic hair accessories. They are the perfect addition to any outfit, making them a must-have for college students and beyond. Achieve effortless style with ease. These scrunchies are versatile enough for any occasion, from a casual day out to a special event. What we like? Say goodbye to damaging hair ties that leave creases and cause frizz. These scrunchies are made from a soft satin material that protects your hair. If you want to maintain hair health and avoid breakage, especially for delicate or styled hair, these are a must-have. What people say? The hair clips are very sturdy and hold my thick hair securely without slipping. These hairpins are designed with smooth, rounded ends that don't snag or pull my hair. The variety of sizes in the pack is great, allowing me to create different hairstyles easily. Number 3. YANIBEST Adjustable Double Layer Satin Bonnet. Tired of waking up with frizzy, tangled hair? Our adjustable satin bonnet is designed to keep your natural curls and waves smooth and protected all night long. Featuring a double-layer design, this hair wrap significantly reduces friction. This helps to prevent frizz and maintain the health and beauty of your hair. The adjustable feature ensures a snug yet comfortable fit for any head size. You can sleep soundly without worrying about it slipping off. Whether you have natural, curly, or wavy hair, this bonnet is perfect for you. It's an essential accessory for preserving your hairstyle overnight. Experience the difference a satin bonnet can make. Wake up every morning with smoother, healthier, and more manageable hair. What we like? Protect your hair overnight with this luxurious double-layer satin bonnet. It significantly reduces friction, keeping your natural curls smooth and frizz-free. If you have curly or natural hair and want to wake up with styled hair, this bonnet is essential for preserving your look. What people say? The hair clips are very sturdy and hold my thick hair securely without slipping. I love the variety of colors and styles included in this set, they match all my outfits. These bobby pins are great for creating intricate hairstyles and stay in place all day. Number 2. Kitsch 80s Style Banana Hair Clips. Step back in time with these retro-inspired banana hair clips. Channel the vibrant energy of the 80s with a touch of nostalgic flair. Achieve stunning hairstyles with ease. These clips provide a secure and durable hold, ensuring your hair stays perfectly in place all day long. Say goodbye to unsightly creases and hair damage. Our innovative design gently holds your hair without leaving any marks, keeping it smooth and stylish. From sleek ponytails to elegant updos, these accessories are your go-to for any look. They are perfect for styling your hair for any occasion. Looking for an ideal gift? These stylish clips are a thoughtful present for any woman who loves fashion and convenience. They come in classic black and tortoise shell. What we like? Embrace a fun, nostalgic look with these classic banana clips. They offer a secure hold without causing creases, perfect for various hairstyles. If you love vintage vibes or need a reliable clip for updos and ponytails, these are a stylish and practical choice. What people say. The hair clips are very sturdy and hold my thick hair securely without slipping. These hairpins are designed with smooth, rounded ends that prevent snagging or damaging my hair. The variety of sizes in the pack is great for different hairstyles, from small sections to updos. Number 1. Kitsch Nylon Hair Ties. Tired of hair ties that pull and damage your hair? Discover a gentle solution that keeps your hair secure without the breakage. Experience a powerful, all-day hold that keeps your ponytail perfectly in place. These are designed to be incredibly stretchable and reliable. Our hair ties are perfect for all hair types, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. They provide the hold you need without causing discomfort. Elevate your look with these essential hair accessories. They are as stylish as they are practical for everyday wear. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make an ideal present for women and girls who appreciate quality hair accessories. Get a convenient pack of 12 in a classic black color. You'll always have one on hand when you need it. What we like? Achieve a strong, all-day hold without any damage to your hair. These nylon hair ties are incredibly stretchable and durable. If you need reliable hair bands for active days or want to secure your ponytail without breakage, these are the perfect everyday solution. What people say. The hair clips are very sturdy and hold my thick hair securely all day without slipping. I love the variety of colors and styles in this pack. They match all my outfits. These hairpins are surprisingly lightweight, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.